So what you can also do is you can create something by freehand inside of Corel Draw. So to do that, you need to go around and choose freehand right here. And as the name suggests, you can choose the brush size right here just like this, and then go around and draw something freehand right here just like this. So you can see that there's a node and you can simply go around and draw out of it right here. Apart from that, you can also choose the type of dots right here. For example, you can go for a more dotted look right here, and you can go for arrows right here just like this as well, and choose the starting and ending point as well, and change around the type as well just like this. So if I were to go around onto the other option, that is 2-point line, then you mostly make the straight line right here. So instead of having curve, you go around and make straight line right here. You can also go around onto the arrow right here and then choose the starting and the ending point right here just like this as well, and then this is what you have. Apart from that, you also have the Bezier curve right here, which allows you to go around and click and drag out right here and draw out Bezier curve right here. You can even go around and enclose this out right here to have more of a free type of a drawing right here. You can go around over here and draw around right here, make curve right here just like this, right here just like this, and then you can work around with the node right here just like this as well. So that is how you can go around and work around with the curve, and there are the different curves as you can see right here just like this, and you can click on the curve right here to close it down as well. So this is what you have, and that is how you can work around with the freehand, 2-point line, and Bezier curves inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.